For Nino Pizza Outdoor Laboratory, I'm Carl from Hot Carl's Pizza. Today we're making a barbecue chicken pizza in the ilFornino Nino pizza oven. It is wood or it is gas. It cooks crispy, it cooks evenly, it cooks quickly. You're gonna love it. It's lightweight. It can be wood or gas. Right now we're using gas, but if you do decide to use wood, there's a bunch of room in here. There's like a big cutout in the bottom here. You can kind of see it on the camera. And this burner comes out. We can take the burner out and you can put wood in there. Of course, you got to get it cut down a little smaller sizes, but it works great both ways. Today, we're using gas. So I'm going to stretch this dough out. Again, don't make it too large in here. You only have about 12 inches max to make a pie. In this particular oven, we're going to make larger sizes, we believe, in the future. This is just the first one of its kind. Let us know what you think. You can comment, you can like, and just contact us if you have any questions. Oh, and the wind got that one too, and I still caught it. Got lucky, maybe. All right, so we got semolina down next. This one's a little bigger than I wanted, so I'm going to shrink it up a little bit. This will be barbecue sauce. This is Sweet Baby Ray's barbecue. Not too much. You can always put more on later. East Coast mozzarella blend, which is part skim and whole milk. And then we're going to put some chicken on there and some red onion for good measure. Lastly, red onion. This is the kicker. The red onion makes it even that much better. Okay. Time for the launch. We've got our perforated peel. You can get this perforated peel at ilFornino.com as well. Everything you see in the video. Time for the launch. This is before. Now we're going to keep an eye on the left side of this pizza. The left side will cook a little bit faster than the right, just because it's closer to the flame. And the bottom will set a little bit quicker as well. But don't turn around too long because it does cook fast. And you will burn the pizza if you're not careful. We already got some color on the bottom, about 30 seconds in, not even 25 seconds in. We're going to spin it in about 10 seconds, about a quarter turn. You got to get low too. If you don't like it this low, you can put some bed risers or something underneath to get it up a little higher. Have a higher countertop. First spin. Oh yes, sir. This is going to be money. And you can use any barbecue sauce you want, really. The key is that you put the right proportion of everything. Not too much chicken, not too much cheese, not too much barbecue sauce, not too many onions. And that just comes with practice. Check it out. Woo! Oh my goodness, the bottom is almost perfect already. One more spin there. So this side, you always go to the side that's the whitest, or not as cooked as much. You go toward that flame. I mean, this oven is small enough. I think the rollover flame might hit each side, but the Nino in action. It's a thing of beauty. I mean, just take a look at the bottom of that already. Look at that. I mean, is that not perfect? That is absolutely perfect. And you can see there's not many safe spots in here, so you got to get that temperature just right. The cool thing is you can cook many pizzas in a row and it stays hot. That's one thing we learned. This is about the 6th pie we've done today. All right, so here it is. Barbecue chicken. Sweet Baby Ray's cooked in the ilFornino Nino pizza oven using gas this time. Again, you could switch it out and put wood in there. It's a little more challenging with the wood, but it does work. Let's take a look at the bottom. I mean, just look at that. Look at that. Amazing. Now, and here you have it. A perfectly cooked barbecue chicken pizza with red onions in the ilFornino Nino oven. Visit ilFornino.com today and get this baby. Get it for your friends, your family, get it for yourself if you want. But it cooks beautifully. Check it out.